Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to password protect a zip file in Windows 10 on a PC or laptop, and this does also work if you have an older version of Windows like Windows 8 or 7. If you find this helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So let's get straight in. What we're going to do first is I've created an example folder. So I've got my three files here, and what I want to do is actually put those into a password protected zip file. So in order to do this, what you need to do first is download an application called 7-Zip. I have checked with Windows, but at the moment there's no way to do it with Windows. So what we're going to do is just open up a internet browser, and this is a website here, so it's 7-zip.org. This is the official website, and once you actually come across, you're going to be presented with some options. So all you want to do is download and run the setup for the program that you want to do, and just make sure it's the right one for your laptop or PC. So if you're running 64-bit, then obviously download this one. You click the blue download link here. So once that's downloaded and installed, what we're then going to do is go and select the files that we want to add to our password protected zip file. So you can see I got three different files. They're like JPEG, AVG, HTMLs and PNGs, and then what we're going to do is just right click once we've selected all of those, and you'll see what should happen is you should have a 7-Zip option come up. From here, if you actually hover over 7-Zip, what you're then going to do is click onto this one at the top which says add to archive, and this is going to load up a screen like this, and we're just going to go ahead and set this up from here. So what I'm going to do is change the name of the zip folder to something like example, and underneath we're going to change the archive format to zip, which is right at the bottom down here. And if you look in the bottom right hand corner, you've got a option to enter the password. Obviously you can tick to show the password and untick to not show the password. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter this in. So I'm going to go 123456 just as an example, and under here where it says encryption method, what you want to do is make sure this is set to zip crypto. AES is more secure, but at the moment it's not supported by the File Explorer on Windows. So you just want to make sure that's selected to zip crypto. Make sure that's set to zip. Make sure you've named the folder and put your password in, and then just go ahead and click OK. And you see what's going to happen. That's going to create the zip folder. So this is created in the exact same folder as the original documents. Also, it doesn't delete the original files, so if they are sensitive, what you want to do is just obviously go ahead and delete all of those. Just give that a minute to delete, and what's going to happen is you'll be left with the zip file, which is now password protected. So to actually view the document, when you click onto it, it's going to ask you to enter the password which you set up when you set up the archive file. But that's how you do it, and I hope you found that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.